India Today accesses biggest clincher in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. June 8th WhatsApp chat between Rhea Chakravarti and Mahesh Bhatt reveals that the actress informed the filmmaker after leaving Sushant's house. In her chat, Rhea Chakravarti texted Mahesh Bhatt and I quote, "Aisha moves on, sir, with a heavy heart and sense of relief." Rhea further said that their last call was a wake-up call. She called Mahesh Bhatt her angel and her best man. In fact, Rhea also messaged, "I love you, sir," to the filmmaker. The 28-year-old actress even stated that she has found courage now finally to do what she did because of Mr. Bhatt. During the June 8th chat, Rhea further texted Bhatt that the best emotions that she feels is for him. She also thanked her destiny for meeting him. In response to Rhea's messages, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt asked her not to look back and thanked her for being brave. Mahesh Bhatt also told Sushant's girlfriend that if he is of no use to her, his existence is worthless and that it takes guts to do what she did.
सेंटर में
एक मिनट थोड़ा
Look at the WhatsApp chat that was sent out from Rhea Chakravarti to Mahesh Bhatt. In fact, Rhea's text messages to Mahesh Bhatt says, "Aisha moves on, sir, with a heavy heart and relief. Our last call was a wake-up call." She also goes on to say, "You are my angel." These are the WhatsApp chats in this order. She says, "You are my angel. You were then and you are now." This is her text message to Mahesh Bhatt. Also further speaking about encouraging Rhea Chakravarti, Mahesh Bhatt in response says, "Don't look back. Make it possible what is inevitable." These are conversations between Mahesh Bhatt and Rhea Chakravarti. In fact, Mahesh Bhatt goes on to say, "My love to your father, he will be a happy man." This is what Mahesh Bhatt says in encouragement of what Rhea did after she left Sushant's house. Rhea then finally says, "Have found some courage, sir, and what you said about my dad that day on the phone pushed me to be strong for him." These messages come in on June 8th, just a few days before Sushant passed away. In fact, these are the text messages that Rhea sent to Mahesh Bhatt. She also goes on to say further, "He sends you love and thank you for always being so special." She means that her father is sending Mahesh Bhatt all the love. And then Mahesh Bhatt reacting there, "You are a child," and he says, "You are my child." This is Mahesh Bhatt's response, "I feel light," in response to Rhea Chakravarti there. And she says, "Oh, no words, sir, just a full heart, but the best emotions I feel for you." This is Rhea Chakravarti's response to Mahesh Bhatt after he motivated her, after he called her his child. And then Mahesh Bhatt responds saying, "Thank you for being brave." Now, these are the text messages that were sent out by Rhea Chakravarti on the 8th of June to Mahesh Bhatt all around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. And then Rhea eventually goes on to say, "Thank you, destiny, that I met you." In fact, she says, "You are right. Our paths met for this day." Rhea Chakravarti almost looking up at Mahesh Bhatt like a mentor. He seems to be encouraging her to make the decisions that she's been wanting to make. Then she goes on to say, "Not for a film, but something very different. Every word you've said to me echoes in me and feel a deep impact of your unconditional love." Rhea Chakravarti expresses her emotions, says Mahesh Bhatt has been an angel, a guardian angel, a motivating light, a guiding light for her, and that she's been very expressive with her messages as well, with all the emojis. Mahesh Bhatt responding there saying, "Yes, if I am no use to you, my existence is worthless." This is Mahesh Bhatt's response to Rhea Chakravarti. And then she replies finally, "You've once again unclipped my wings." It appears that Rhea Chakravarti clearly in the messages wasn't happy about something. What really wasn't she happy with? That's the big question. And Mahesh Bhatt, they're actually pushing her to take off, pushing her to make her own decisions, pushing her to do what she wants to do. Clearly, Rhea Chakravarti feeling happy that she has Mahesh Bhatt to guide her. And then she says, "Twice in one life is almost godlike." Mahesh Bhatt responding, "Not for a film, but something very different. Every word you've said to me echoes." Responses coming in from Rhea saying peace. Mahesh Bhatt with all the emojis. These are the message exchanges that the both of them have had over June 8th around 8 p.m. All this in a span of about 10 minutes, 8 o'clock to 8:10. And then Mahesh Bhatt actually wishing happy birthday. And then she says, I'm smiling year to year. I love you, my best man. This is Rhea Chakravarti's response to Mahesh Bhatt. I will make you proud. You already have truly. Mahesh responding that you have already made me proud. It takes guts to do what you did. Don't look back. And then she says, I promise. I love you, sir. Grateful. Now, Mahesh Bhatt responding to that if we are not reflecting on the impermanent nature of life, then there are a lot of unimportant things that seem important. Again, all motivational messages, exchanges from Mahesh Bhatt to Rhea Chakravarti. Here's the message exchange that India Today has accessed exclusively that we showed you. The kind of equation that Mahesh Bhatt and Rhea Chakravarti had is clearly uncanny. Both of them have been quite close. Looks more like a guiding light that Mahesh has been to Rhea. He's been pushing her to do what she wants to do. She's welcoming that guidance. She wants that introspection. She wants that intervention from Mahesh Bhatt, and clearly he's giving all that care that she expects, and she's being very thankful in those messages to Mahesh Bhatt as well. In fact, Rhea Chakravarti's statement on why she left Sushant Singh Rajput's house on June 8th has come under scanner. Rhea's lawyer claimed that Sushant had called his sister to his house and asked Rhea to leave on June 8th. Rhea claimed that she had requested Sushant to be allowed to leave his house after attending the therapy session, but the late actor asked her to leave immediately. With the WhatsApp messages with Mahesh Bhatt coming out in the open, it is revealed now that she left the Bandra flat on her own. Here is Rhea Chakravarti now sending out messages to Mahesh Bhatt, which India Today has accessed, showing very clearly that it is Rhea Chakravarti's decision to leave the house. It was her will that she left the house with, as opposed to her statement that she made initially. In fact, a whole statement that came out by Rhea Chakravarti's lawyer said that she was hesitant to leave the house. She did not want to leave the house. She left on Sushant's request. Even though she wanted to take a therapy session, she had anxiety issues. She wanted to take a session with the therapist, but Sushant asked her to leave immediately, even before his sister arrived. Now, those were the reactions. Rhea Chakravarti, or the statement that she made, speaking, in fact, she made it through the lawyer, and she denied that she left out of her own will. Here, clearly, it shows that Rhea left out of her own will. The spotlight is, of course, now on Rhea Chakravarti. The first task for the CBI team will be to grill Rhea Chakravarti and her family. In fact, the big question, though, is, will she be arrested? Does the CBI have grounds for arrest?
Rhea Chakravarti, actor, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, charged with abetment to suicide, theft and cheating. She's now at the center of the CBI investigation. From first demanding a CBI probe to then seeking a transfer, Rhea Chakravarti has no choice now but to face the CBI. And the only question now is, will she be arrested? And if yes, then on what grounds? Charge, abetment to suicide. It's a charge that's difficult to prove, and an arrest can be made only when the CBI gets credible evidence. Charge, wrongful confinement. The Bihar police FIR accuses Rhea of wrongful confinement of Sushant Singh Rajput. The late actor's family claims that Rhea kept Sushant at a resort for 3 months and blocked him from meeting his family. But arrest on wrongful confinement charge can happen only if confinement of Sushant by Rhea is substantiated. Charge, criminal intimidation. Rhea is accused of threatening Sushant in the days leading up to his death. She allegedly told Sushant that she would make his mental health reports public and tell the press that he was mad. Again, a charge that's difficult to prove. The other big charge against Rhea Chakravarti is that she allegedly siphoned off Sushant Singh Rajput's finances. The actor has already been summoned and grilled twice by the Enforcement Directorate, and sources say that her statements have been inconsistent. Charge, cheating. If the CBI is able to uncover the money trail and get evidence that Rhea cheated Sushant financially, that makes easy ground for arrest. Charge, theft. Similarly, if it's proven that Rhea transferred money from Sushant's accounts or was controlling his finances without his knowledge, that too could lead to her immediate arrest. Charge, criminal breach of trust. If the CBI is able to prove that it was Riya who broke Sushant's trust and drove him to alleged suicide, as claimed by Sushant's father, that's a solid reason for arrest.
All the eyes are now on the CBI. A lot of its investigation will focus on Riya Chakrabarti, but whether the actress will be arrested or not will depend upon the evidence which the Federal Probe Agency is able to gather. With camera person Pradeep Gupta, this is Munish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.